The next question from Safiqul Islam from UAE, he asks, Assalamu alaikum, can zakah be given to needy non-Muslims? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Tawbah chapter number 9 verse number 60, إنما الصدقات للفقراء والمساكين والعاملين عليها والمؤلفة قلوبهم وفي الرقاب والغارمين وفي سبيل الله وابن السبيل. That zakat can be given to the poor, to the needy. إنما الصدقات للفقراء والمساكين والعاملين عليها والمؤلفة قلوبهم, and those whose hearts are inclined toward Islam, وفي الرقاب, and freeing of slaves, والغارمين, and the debtors. So these are the categories of zakah, and the seventh is in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the last, it is the stranded traveler. So these are the categories of zakah. These people, they can be given zakah, that is obligatory charity. Zakah, obligatory charity, can only be given to Muslims. There is one category of zakah that can be given to non-Muslims, and that is mu'allafati qulubuhum, those whose hearts are inclined towards Islam. So if we see someone, his heart is inclined towards Islam, he is impressed with Islam, we feel that he is going to accept Islam, zakah can be given to this person. So in short, zakah is only meant for Muslims. It cannot be given to non-Muslims except for one category of zakah, that is mu'allafati qulubuhum, those whose hearts are inclined toward Islam. Zakah can be given to them.